The afternoon sun is setting on the calm river of green water. In the middle of the river, a young elephant is playing happily. There is a glimmer of mischief and love in his eyes. After diving into the water, he raises his head again and looks around, as if looking for someone. Standing on the bank is his old friend, an elderly man, the man who has raised him since childhood. There is compassion in the man's eyes, and a light smile on his lips. Many years ago, this elephant was so small, sick, and weak. Back then, this man used to feed him,